Hey guys, this is Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So today in this video guys, I'm going to tell you the full specifications of newly announced smartphone by HTC called HTC Wildfire R70. So before starting this video guys, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you guys will be get notified whenever we upload a new video. So let's quickly get started guys. So let's start this video guys with the screen size. So Wildfire R70 comes with 6.53 inches 19:9 HD plus water drop notch display. Now in terms of processor guys, this asset comes with the octa-core MediaTek Helio P23 processor with Mali G71 MP2 GPU, and this one is based on 16 nanometer process. Now in terms of RAM and ROM, this asset comes with the 2 GB of RAM with 32 GB of internal storage, and micro SD card slot is expandable up to 256 GB on this device. Now coming to the Android version, this that comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box, and also with 4G VoLTE support is there on this device. Now let's move the cameras. So this that comes with triple rear cameras. So first sensor is 16 megapixel shooter with aperture of f1.7. Second one is 2 megapixel macro lens, and third one is 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now in terms of front camera, it has single 8 megapixel of front camera with aperture of f2.0. Now fingerprint scanner is there, and battery capacity of this device is 4000 mAh with 10-watt charging support. Now guys, currently we don't have any information on the pricing of this device. So thanks for watching. If any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you guys.